Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. And my dear friends, this is the hourly chart of gold in front of us. Yesterday, I did not upload any video because there was nothing much to discuss. And today also, we don't have much to discuss because we can clearly see that market is still struggling for a trend. But today is important because if we look at the economy calendar, we can see that today we have CPI coming up. CPI is a major event that can give a direction to the market, or they can also change the direction of the market as well. So we can expect, or at least we can keep our fingers crossed that after CPI, we will get a direction on the chart of dollar, on the chart of gold. Because if market stays like this, then obviously it will be difficult for traders like us to trade, isn't it? On theory, if inflation numbers are hotter than expected, usually we see dollar going up and gold going down. Or if inflation numbers are less than the expected numbers, then we see dollar going down and gold going up. This is on theory. If you have been observing news, you must know that theory is different and obviously practical is different. So please be careful if you're a beginner, new trader, or if you're struggling right now, because highest market manipulation takes place at the time of news. When market will be stable, market will be normal, you will get plenty of opportunities to make money. So do not gamble with your hard-earned money at the time of news. Okay. So be careful. But yes, if market gets a direction after CPI, it will be very helpful for us. Okay. And this is the hourly chart. So let's discuss the trading opportunities or the limited trading opportunities that we have on gold. So on the chart of gold, we saw good amount of correction on Friday. Okay, when this correction came, okay, there was a time when we all believe that maybe gold is going for correction. Maybe okay, we will see 3,000 or 2,800, 900 numbers on the chart of gold. But after the market opening, gold took support around 2,992. Sorry, not 29. Okay, 3 to 9495 area, and gold showed recovery, and that recovery is still going on. Okay, the important thing about this recovery is that gold is forming higher highs here. I won't say okay, higher lows, but yes, we can see that gold is forming higher highs. But in comparison to this correction, the recovery that we have on gold is not very convincing. But still, we cannot deny the fact that this recovery is still going on. Okay, but after CPI, okay, if market drops, then obviously we can take the sell position as well, because this is something, okay, that you don't need to follow for a long term. Okay, so as a day trader, okay, if gold goes up also before CPI, we can look for a sell around 3361 area. Why are we considering 3361 as a selling opportunity? Because okay, we have FIBO 61.8% retracement level. In the last few days, we saw that FIBO was not working at all, but this week, at least FIBO is working. This is FIBO 38.2, this is FIBO 50, and here we have FIBO 61.8% retracement level. So before CPI, if you see that gold hits 3361 level, we can we look for a sell position. If you see market is showing price ejection from above. Why are we considering this? Because this recovery is not very convincing enough, and overall we can clearly see the market is struggling, market is shouting for a direction. Okay, so if gold hits 3361, observe the market. If you see that market is struggling, hit the sell button. How much you can expect? 40 to 60 pips. After 60 pips, if you see further potential, you can book partial and okay, look for another 40 to 60 pips. Do not expect much because there is not much volume in the market right now. And similarly, before CPI, if market goes down instead of going up, okay, if market goes down, because market has two possibilities, either it will go up or it will go down, isn't it? Okay, so if it comes down, then we can look for a support around this trend line here. This is working as a dynamic support. So around 3321 2024 area, okay, there will be some support. If you see market is taking support, you can go for a buy position. Usually I don't like to talk much about these trend lines, but right now we don't have any other option because the previous support is in the price action and all, nothing is working much right now. And we can clearly see the volume is also very less. Okay, and after CPI, if you see that gold is going down, there's a drop on the chart of gold. We can look for a sell below 3292 area, below this area, if gold drops after CPI. And where is the next support? The next support is around 3275, 3271. My dear friends, do not forget, earlier also we have discussed, if gold shows heavy amount of selling pressure, do not expect a complete trend reversal from this support area. As a day trader, we can just look for a temporary bounce where we can make 70 to 80 pips. After that, gold will break the support and eventually market will be going down. So be careful. Okay, do not trade blindly. And number of trading opportunities before CPI are very limited, because if we switch to 15 minutes time frame also, you can see that the trading opportunities are not very good, because you cannot consider this as a pure resistance also, because so far we have seen that market is breaking the previous high and going up. So in case of a higher high market, taking a sell at the previous high is not a wise decision. So let's wait and watch. Okay, and if you do not find any proper trading opportunity, do not trade. We are traders, not gamblers. And if you still have not joined the free Telegram community, feel free to join for regular market updates, analysis, and if anything happens also, okay, I do not get time to upload video, okay, I just update in the community. So feel free to join. The link will be in the description or in the comment section. So that's all from my side, my dear friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care.